75% of resumes are automatically rejected before a human sees them. On LinkedIn, 74% of profiles are effectively invisible to recruiters. If you are not getting interviews, it is rarely because you lack the right experience. It happens because your application materials are failing to communicate with the automated screening algorithms that guard the modern job market. The primary gatekeeper you have to bypass is the Applicant Tracking System, or ATS. This is a software program that scans, extracts text from, and scores your resume based on strict formatting and keyword criteria. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to update your current application and rebuild it into an algorithm-friendly kit designed to pass these digital filters. To start, open your current CV, pull up your LinkedIn profile, and have a job description ready. Formatting your experience to perfectly match what these hidden software systems require is the mandatory first step. Only then will your qualifications actually reach a hiring manager. Step 1 is fixing the visual layout of your CV. Human reviewers appreciate a 2-column design, skill progress bars, or creative graphics, but machine parsers cannot read them reliably. When a complex layout passes through the ATS, it reads left to right across columns, creating a scrambled block of text. To fix this, simplify the document into a clean, single-column format. Remove graphics, tables, and replace creative headers with standard titles. Next, look at your target job description. You must extract the exact keywords used in that posting, such as project management instead of initiative coordination, and embed those exact terms directly into your text. A visually plain but perfectly structured document helps ensure safe passage through the digital barrier. A heavily stylized design often leads to immediate elimination. Step 2 targets the human review. Once you pass the ATS, a recruiter will spend less than 10 seconds scanning your CV to determine your value. During that scan, they look for signs of impact. Most resumes fail here because they simply list daily job responsibilities instead of proving specific, measurable results. Instead of passive phrases like responsible for sales team management, use an action verb, context, and a hard number. The result? Led a team of 6 and increased sales by 23%. Lack exact metrics? Use estimates. Reduced process time by 30% beats improved efficiency. Anchoring your experience in hard numbers removes recruiter guesswork. Providing concrete proof of your historical return on investment typically generates more interview requests. Step 3 is optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Treating your profile like a narrative autobiography makes you difficult to find for the platform's search algorithm. This simulation shows how a recruiter actually uses the platform. They type specific strings of roles, skills, and locations into the search bar, like project manager, Lisbon, and technology, and the system filters thousands of users down to the exact matches. Identify 3 to 4 primary keywords from your target job description. You must place those exact terms into specific zones: your profile headline, your summary paragraph, and your experience headers. These are the areas the algorithm prioritizes. Placing these terms in high-weight algorithm zones makes your profile a searchable asset. It ensures the platform can identify your profile and deliver it to the recruiters who are looking for your specific skills. Step 4 focuses on the cover letter. There is one specific sentence that appears daily and often triggers a recruiter to discard the application. I am writing to apply for the position of. That generic opening sends a clear signal. It suggests you are using a copy-paste template and have not done specific research on the company you are applying to. A successful cover letter needs 4 blocks: a hook proving company knowledge, a concrete achievement, specific alignment, and a call to action. The hook expands. Reference a recent company expansion, specific project, or industry news, like their digital health sector growth. Spending 15 minutes to replace a generic template with this targeted 4-part structure yields the highest return on invested time of your entire application process. You have now updated your application materials to meet the requirements of modern screening systems, moving from an invisible candidate to a high-value target. Mechanically, you have a clean, single-column CV that glides through ATS filters, and a LinkedIn profile built around the specific terms recruiters use to find candidates. Psychologically, your experience bullets now provide measurable proof of your impact, and your customized cover letter demonstrates immediate relevance to the company's goals. There is one final operational step. Always export your updated CV as a PDF before submission. This acts exactly like a heavy mechanical gear, locking your formatting into place, ensuring your clean single-column structure remains completely intact. While standard job hunting habits often result in technical rejection, methodically building your application kit to meet these specific requirements removes the digital barriers between your experience and the recruiters who need to see it.